Did you know that inside a liquid, not every atom is moving? That sounds impossible, right? But scientists just made a mind-blowing discovery when they melted tiny metal particles on a special surface called graphene. They saw something incredible through an advanced microscope. While most atoms zipped around as expected, some stayed completely still, pinned to the surface.
Ho, ho, ho!
This is where it gets really cool. These motionless atoms act like a fence, creating an atomic corral that traps the liquid metal inside. This trapped liquid can stay liquid even when cooled more than 1,000 degrees below its normal freezing point, and when it finally does solidify, it doesn't form a regular crystal. It becomes a strange, unstable, non-crystalline metal.
Ho, ho, ho!
This discovery opens up a whole new understanding of matter, blending the properties of solids and liquids. It could lead to amazing new technologies, like ultra-efficient catalysts for clean energy. We're literally watching a new form of matter being born. Thanks for watching.
Ho, ho, ho!